Who is Shohei Ohtani? Shohei Ohtani is a professional baseball player from Japan. He was born on July 5, 1994, in Oshu, Iwate, Japan. Ohtani is known for his exceptional talent as both a pitcher and a hitter, making him a unique and highly versatile player. He is often referred to as the Japanese Babe Ruth due to his ability to excel in both pitching and hitting, similar to the legendary baseball player Babe Ruth. Ohtani began his professional career in Japan, playing for the Hokkaido Nippon-Ham Fighters in the Nippon Professional Baseball (NPB) league. He joined the team in 2013 and quickly gained recognition for his outstanding performance as both a pitcher and a designated hitter. In 2017, Ohtani made the decision to transition to Major League Baseball (MLB) in the United States. He signed with the Los Angeles Angels, where he has played since then. Ohtani's MLB debut in 2018 generated significant attention and excitement due to his exceptional skills. As a pitcher, he throws right-handed and possesses a fastball that reaches over 100 miles per hour. As a hitter, he bats left-handed and has demonstrated remarkable power, hitting numerous home runs. During the 2021 MLB season, Shohei Ohtani had an extraordinary performance, earning him widespread recognition and numerous accolades. He became the first player in MLB history to be selected as both a starting pitcher and a position player for the All-Star game. Ohtani finished the season with impressive pitching statistics and was also a formidable hitter, hitting over 40 home runs. Ohtani's talent, versatility, and exciting style of play have made him one of the most captivating and celebrated players in professional baseball today. His performances have captivated fans worldwide and have cemented his status as one of the sport's brightest stars.